this shape, when you get your nose closed, you get all the aromas on the botanicals, the gin and the tonic. And in this way as well, when you touch the glass from here, your body temperature is not going to affect the temperature of the cocktail. What we use normally for our perfect serve is a Bombay Sapphire, 50 ml. We like to use a block of ice. Just put it inside. So basically the juniper berry, it just gives you a bit more of the, pronounce the flavor of the juniper, of course, that is already present inside. So we have the dry fruits. Normally we do lemon, lime, and orange and grapefruit. So in this case we use lemon, just to give a nice citrusy notes. Normally we use Indian tonics, so it's the regular one. There's a lot of different flavor tonic, but when I have a gin and tonic, I prefer to keep with the regular tonic actually. And also the last touch is basically what we use is bay leaf, just to give aromatic part in the gin and tonic. It's ready to serve. Enjoy.